In this video, we're going to go over how to combine like terms. First, what is a like term? Well, let's underline which ones are the exact same, meaning there is the exact same amount of x's and the exact same amount of y's in one term to the next. So if we look at this term, there is 1x. Well, technically there's 4x, but the x isn't squared, there isn't a y, nothing. Now if we look over here, there's negative 4/3 x, but the x is still to the 1 power, meaning those two x's can combine. And if we look at this one, there's xy. The number in front is important when combining with other numbers, but the first thing you need to look at is the variables. So that will combine with the negative 8xy. And we keep looking, are there any other terms that can combine like that? Can x squared y combine with another x squared y? No, there are no more x squared y's in our equation, but there is a y squared here and a y squared there, meaning we can combine all of the same colored terms because they have the same variables. So this will equal x squared y plus 4x minus 4/3 x plus 3y squared plus 1/2 y squared plus negative 4xy minus 8xy. So as we've already said, there's nothing to combine with the x squared y, so just bring it down. But now we look, if we have 4 apples and we take away 4/3 of an apple, it's basically the same as saying if we had 12 apples minus 4 apples. And we'll come back to that on the next step. And this is plus. See, now we have fractions again. So we need to get the same denominator in order to add and subtract fractions. So we need to go 6/2 y squared plus 1/2 y squared. And this one is much easier. There's no fractions, so this is the same as if it's negative 4 degrees outside and it got 8 degrees colder, what is the temperature? The temperature is negative 12xy. So now we continue. X squared y plus, so what is 12x minus 4x? 12x minus 4x would be 8x over 3. You can't forget about that 3. Plus, so now we look at that. 6/2 plus 1/2, or 6 plus 1 equals 7/2. And we still have our y squared. Plus our negative 12xy. So therefore, now we look at this. Are there any other single x's that we can combine? No. Are there any more x squared y's we can combine? No. Any more y squareds? No. Any more xy's? No. Therefore, our final answer will equal x squared y plus 8/3 x plus minus 12xy plus 7/2 y squared.